Hi everyone. So today's video will be about difference between umuran and odmoran. Umoran. Umoran means tired. I'm tired after a long day. Umoransam, I'm tired. And odmoran means fresh, refreshed. Basically it means opposite of tired. They often say vozite odmorni. It means drive when you are not tired in the commercials for safety on the road. So umoran is tired and odmoran means you are not tired, you slept well, you are refreshed. That would be all.